Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, LT Preferred Equipment Group, trailer brake controller, integrated wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, convenience package, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65R18 off-road, Blackwall, rear vision camera and the suspension package, off-road. Call 706-733-9411 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.